One of the things that I'd like to accomplish this year, sana, is to be more serious when it comes to my vlogging and perhaps even set up a podcast channel, about topics that I'm interested in and perhaps people like me would be interested too. Like, not just only about travels, but about self-help, productivity, how to be a VA or virtual assistant, since I am one for like 2 decades now. And I would just like to get out of my comfort zone, go out of my shell, be able to help more. One thing that stops is that I need to have a place of where to do that. I thought it would be our cloffice, pero sa nakita nyo sa mga previous videos ko, sobrang cramped na yung cloffice namin. So I asked Hans, could I borrow every now and then when I'm filming one of the rooms that is for rent here at Oslob New Village. So we own this small lodging place in Oslob. It's called Oslob New Village. It originally had 17 rooms for rent, but one room is now our bedroom. Another room turned out to be our cloffice, so we have 15 na lang. Out of these 15, not all kinds of rooms naman tend to get rented out all the time. And so yung pinaka-least na nabebenta is this room where I am at. It's an economy quad room. It's still air-conditioned, pero bunk bed siya. So, wala namang masyadong nagre-rent. Most of the time, they want a bed where they can really sleep together because usually couples or families, ganyan. Plus, this room has no bathroom of its own. Common bathroom to outside. So, sabi ko kay Hans, can I borrow this room? I just need like a space where I can set up my backdrop. Like the videos of Amy Landino. Basta may cute na pink setup. And dahil gusto ko pink, sabi ko, can we have this room repainted to pink? Sabi niya, okay naman daw. On those days na I will do my videos here, then I can just take out this bunk bed here, or this one. Either of the two. Put it aside, that's not in the view of the camera. And then put some furniture there and some decorations to make it look like a nice vlogging studio, di ba? Parang yung Tony Talks. So, yun lang. I just wanted to share that with you. Parang shout out na rin sa universe na hopefully this year, mangyari to. It's already September 1. It's 12:30 a.m. na. So, it's September 1. So, it's a new goal that I want to accomplish starting this month. And I hope samahan nyo ako sa aking, in a way, new journey of vlogging or podcasting about parang stuff na that's always been in my heart. Like, kung makikita nyo sa momtreneur.com blog ko, I have a category there for self-help. I've really been interested in things like productivity, how to live your best life, how to design your life, how to make the most of your time, how to, reach your financial goals, how to become a VA and hold that career for many years if that's what you want, like what I've been doing, how to live the kind of life that you want to live and not be swayed by what the society dictates you, by what your family tells you to do. Parang finding your own bliss. Mahilig ako sa mga ganung topics. And hopefully, I will be able to share what I know and be able to inspire you guys. So, watch out for that. Yun lang, gusto ko lang i-share. Ito yung room sa ngayon, but soon, I haven't ordered my furniture yet. Ipapa-repaint pa tong room na to. So, slowly but surely, masingwala naman yung mga iba kong goals and dreams. Isa pala sa mga dreams ko na I thought I will do this year is to take up my master's in psychology because I took EB Psychology in Ateneo that I graduated 99. Ang tagal na, diba? Ever since gusto ko talaga mag-master's and then pursue PhD. Kaya lang I married early at that time and then ang dami na nangyari sa buhay ko. I was a breadwinner for a decade or so. So parang nawala na ako ng time and energy to really tune into what I really want with my life. Now that I'm married with Hans and when I married him, dun talaga parang nagsabay-sabay nangyari yung mga previous dreams ko. Kaya ngayon, I'm making new dreams, actively pursuing them para they will really happen. So, abangan, I hope you join me in this journey until my next vlog. Bye!